So it's officially holiday season, which means time to travel. Since it's time to travel, let me give you guys a glimpse of what I plan to travel with this year. All of these items, to some extent, are smart items, some of the best items on the market from my testing and from my using. So first, let's start with charging. This is what I plan to use to charge my devices. This is the iNew power brick and also iNew fast charging cable. Great fast charging cable for when you're on the move. Make sure that you get all of your devices nice and juiced. Speaking about juice, while I'm driving, I like to stay juiced with my phone, whatever devices. So I take this. This is a car fast charger. This has multiple charging options. This has a USB-A, USB-C port, a USB-C port for your phone, fully retractable, and also a traditional iPhone cable right here, also fully retractable. It extends quite a length. You simply pull it and it goes back into position. This is fully adjustable. This has a nice screen to let you know just how much watts your car battery has. Perfect charger for your car while you're on the move. To make sure you capture all of your great content, I recommend this. This gives you a nice steady shot. This is a Hohen i33 gimbal. This is a smart gimbal. It has a built-in selfie stick, built-in remote, and also built-in tripod. This gimbal is extremely smart, easy to use, and why I say it's smart is because it has an AI feature built into it. So all you have to do is give it the right signal and it knows when to start and stop recording. This is probably one of the best gimbals on the market from Hohen. You got to stay minty fresh, so for that, I think you should always carry an electric toothbrush. So this is a well-designed toothbrush with multi-features, multi-function. Comes within this nice case, so your brush doesn't get dirty as you're traveling. I hate losing wallets. I hate losing wallets even more when I'm traveling. So this is a smart wallet from ESR. This wallet has MagSafe capabilities right here, like built into right here. You can hold 4 to 5 cards over here. You could even use it as a money clip, and it also has built-in Find My. So you simply attach this to your Find My feature in your iPhone. If you leave your wallet back, it begins to ping. If you lose your wallet, you can ping it easily to find your wallet. One of the best wallets on the market from ESR. For entertainment, you never know when you're with friends or family and you want to watch pictures, movies, whatever the case is, bring up memories, but on a big grand scheme. So this is a miniature projector from Kodak. You could attach USB-A, HDMI, USB-C, micro SD card, simply and easy to this, and you could project it. This little projector could project up to 120 inches from this miniature projector. Probably one of the best portable projectors on the market right now from the guys over at Kodak. Staying fresh is always a main issue. You gotta travel with a beard shaver. This is a 10-in-1 beard shaver from Manscaped. You simply turn this to get the right level you want. If you want to get even closer, simply remove and get nice and close. This is quite possibly one of the best beard shavers on the market right now from the guys over at Manscaped. To juice my devices when I'm on the move, I use this. This is a 25,000 milliamp hour, 210 watt max output power bank from Q-Tech. Safe for travel. This allows me to recharge all of my devices. I can charge up to 3 devices, 2 USB-C, 1 USB-A, simply with this power bank. Perfect for travel. Entertainment purposes, I always have a tablet with me. This is an Android tablet. This allows me to watch all my YouTube and whatever content I want right here on this. Great Android tablet for that. Entertainment purposes, Soundcore noise cancelling headphones. Perfect for the flight, perfect for whenever you want to zone out. Fully adjustable, extremely comfortable, fully flexible, works well with the Soundcore app. Great noise cancelling features, great pair of headphones when you're traveling because it comes with this nice carry case. And lastly, you never know what you're missing until you hit the air. So for that, I take this, a Holy Stone drone. This drone allows me to toss the drone up into the air, see what I'm missing, because you could only see so much from the ground, so you never know what you're missing with respect to skylines, sunsets, whatever the case might be. So for that, you grab a Holy Stone drone. If I could fly, you could fly. It's not that hard, simple, easy to learn, very easy. It works well with the remote, works well with the app. Extremely easy to use drone from the guys over at Holy Stone. So, as I said, this is what I plan to travel with this year in my nifty bag over here. If you're looking for any of these items, you know where to find it in the link down below.